Hi to all, welcome to my second class on squares and square roots. Today I am going to discuss some more interesting patterns on square numbers. Let us see some patterns on adding odd numbers. First odd number is 1. That we can write it as 1 square. What is our sum of first and second odd number? Yes, it is 1 plus 3. You get 4. Now 4 you can write it as 2 square. What is the sum of first three odd numbers? That you can write as 1 plus 3 plus 5, which will be equal to 9. 9 you can write it as 3 square. Then what about the consecutive sum of successive 4 odd numbers? Yes, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. If you add, what will you get? You will get 16. 16 you can write it as 4 square. Do find out yourself the successive 5 sum of 5 odd numbers. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Is it a perfect square? As you get 25, it is square of 5. If it is so, how can you express 7 square? Here you can see 1 square it is 1. 2 square means sum of two consecutive successive odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3. 3 square, 3 successive odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5. And 5 square, the sum of 5 consecutive odd numbers or successive odd numbers. If it is so, what will be 7 square? Yes, it will be sum of successive 7 odd numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So if you add this, you will get 49, which is equal to 7 square. That is, if the number is a square number, it has to be the sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1. Now consider number 36. If you subtract the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. successively from 36, what will you get? That is 36 minus 1 is equal to 35. Now 35 minus 3 you will get as 32. 32 minus 5 you will get 27. 27 minus 7 is 20. 20 minus next odd number 9 you will get 11. And 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. Here we subtract 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 successively. For 36 you can write as 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. That is sum of successive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 odd numbers. Now what about the number 32? If we subtract odd numbers successively from 32, what will you get? That is 31 minus 1, 32 minus 1, 31. 31 minus 3, you will get 28. 28 minus 5, 23. 23 minus 7, 16. 16 minus 9, 7. And 7 minus next odd number 11, you will get negative 4. You won't get 0. That means 32 you cannot express as the sum of successive odd numbers. And you can see that 32 is not a perfect square. So we can conclude, if a natural number cannot be expressed as a sum of successive odd natural numbers starting with 1, then it is not a perfect square. Now let us see a sum of consecutive natural numbers. 3 square you know it is 9. 9 you can write it as 4 plus 5. 4 and 5 are natural numbers and consecutive natural numbers, you can say. Then let me take 5 square. That you can write as 25. 25 you can write it as 12 plus 13. 12 and 13 are consecutive natural numbers. 7 square, which is equal to 49. You can write it as 24 plus 25. That means 3, 5, 7. This and all you can write it as sum of two consecutive natural numbers. Then 9 square, which is equal to 81. How can you represent the 81 as a sum of two consecutive natural numbers? Now look at all the above patterns. When it is 3 square, the numbers are 4 plus 5. When it is 5 square, the numbers are 12 and 13. 3 it is 4 and 5. 5 it is 12 and 13. How it will be? Look at the first number. If you get the first number, the next number you can automatically find it out. Here, the first number is 4. The square number is 9. From 9, how will you get 4? And here 25. 5 square is 25. Here it is 12. How will you get 12 from 25? That is, from 9 you have to get 4. From 25 you have to get 12. And 49 you have to get 24. From 9, one way I will say, what is 9 minus 1? Yes, it is 8. What is 25 minus 1? It is 24. Similarly, 49 minus 1, you will get 48. Now from 8 you will get 4. 24, 12. 48, 24. Can you find it out the method? Yes. You have to just divide it by 2. So if it is 9, 9 minus 1 by 2 you will get as 4. Similarly, 25 minus 1 by 2 you will get it as 12. So 49 minus 1 by 2 you will get it as 24. If it is so, 9 square, you have to find out it is 9 square is equal to 81. 81 minus 1 by 2, what it will be? Which is equal to 40. So 9 square you can write it as 40 plus 40. In this way, any square number you can write it as a sum of consecutive natural numbers. Product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. Let us find out the product 13 into 50. 13 you can write it as 14 minus 1. And 15 you can write it as 14 plus 1. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That you know is a square minus b square, that is 14 square minus 1 square is 1. So 13 into 15 you can write it as 14 square minus 1. Similarly, 22 and 24 are two successive even numbers. How will you find out in this way? 22 you can write it as 23 minus 1 and 24 you can write it as 23 plus 1. So 22 into 24 you can write it as 23 square minus 1. If it is so, what is 49 into 51? That you can write it as 50 square minus 1, that is 2500 minus 1, which is equal to 2499. Verify it with the actual multiplication. Do yourself. There are 9 questions in exercise 6.1. Do yourself. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.